A lot of people still think service only happens on site. Truck rolls, shop time, hands on the machine. But that's already starting to change. More problems are being identified, diagnosed, and even solved without sending someone out. Not everything, but enough to reshape how service actually works. And it's not just about speed, it's what happens around the work. When things get handled remotely, they don't stall. They don't sit waiting. They don't get lost between calls and follow-ups. They get handled, and they get captured. That's where the shift is happening. The teams pulling ahead are doing it by giving their technicians or their customers a way to instantly connect with senior support, document what's happening while it's happening, and turn those interactions into work that actually gets reviewed and billed. So they're not just reducing trips, they're making sure the work they're already doing actually turns into revenue. That's the difference.